Hi, hello. Hi, buddies. Good wishes to everyone. See, welcome back to our class. In this session, we are going to learn about that is different concept. See, other ways to say. That is, there are many words in our communication. That is language. Yes, we use that words to communicate. Yes, write, read. Yes, whatever it is. So, for that words, we are having different ways to express. Yes, according to the situation, according to the circumstance, so we can use that is in a different way. So regarding that, we are going to learn. Yes, so let's learn. See, first, what is word? Yes, what is meant by word? See, word, that is, it is made up of number of, that is group of letters. Yes, so group of letters are made up of what? Word. And group of words are made up of sentence. Yes, so that is the difference. Yes, so group of letters or word. Yes, made up of word. So regarding that word only we are going to learn, and it is given in, it is expressed in different way according to the situation, based on the situation, right? See, there are many words, there are multi words in our English language, but here in this session we are going to study about that is only these three words alone, right? See, let's see one by one. First, good job. Yes, good job. It is based on the exclamatory word. Yes, it always gives emotions, strong emotions, excitement. Yes, and happy mood, happiness. Always it shows the happiness. Yes, so positive things. It always shows the positive things. Yes, good job. See where we use this word. Can you guess, students? Good job. See, after the work has completed with successful or with happiness, that is joyness, after completing that, we will use this word. You have done a good job. Yes, done. Yes, well done. We used to say like that. Yes. So for instead of that word, we can use these type of words. Yes. So let's see that. First, see, marvelous. You have done a marvelous job. Yes. So instead of this word, we can apply these words instead of that word. Yes. So you have done a good job. So instead of that, I am using these words. You have done a marvelous job. Yes. You have done a sterling work. Yes. You have done a remarkable work. Then, see, you have way to go. Yes, you have way to go. Right? You have splendid work. You have done a splendid work, right? Then you have done a superb work. So you have done a superb. That is superb work. Well done work, right? That's it. Next, we're talking about the next word. That is I agree. See where we use this word I agree. See, after this too, after complete, that is during the meeting, any group discussion, yes, and during the field of works, yes, anybody, you have higher official will advise you, give any suggestion to you. Meantime, we can use this. Yes, in between, we will use this word. Yes, we should answer them. Yes, we should not sit simply while talking, that is while talking others. Yes, we should respond them. So for that responding, we will use this word. I agree, sir. Yes, absolutely you are right. Exactly you are right. Yes. So for that, instead of that word, we can use these words. Yes, we are having the different words to say. Yes, instead of this word. See, I agree. I agreed. Yes, I agreed with your points. Yes, we used to say like that. If your boss says something, if your leader says something, if your teacher says something, or if your manager says something, means so while talking, while meeting, that is while giving suggestion, while giving advice to you, yes, while giving any explanation to you, means meantime we can use these words, yes, in between, that is for responding them. Yes, we should answer them. You should not sit simply at any cost. Yes, so I agreed with you, sir. Yes, that is absolutely you are right. Absolutely, sir. Yes. Next, affirmative. Yes, it is affirmative. Yes. Next, no doubt about it, sir. Yes, you are right. No doubt about it. I don't have any doubt about it. Yes. Then definitely, yes, you are right. Definitely, sir. Yes, I do that. I agree that. Yes, definitely, exactly. Yes. So these words are we, we just use in that situation. Yes, we should give response there. Yes, so after that only they can able to lead you. Yes, they can able to give some ideas for proceeding something. Yes, that is in future you just use these words. Yes, instead of I agree, right? Next, while coming to that is happy birthday. Yes, just this is a favorite word for us, for all, for everyone. This is such a it's like a festival. Yes, that is the special day for everyone. Birthday means, see, while comparing with other days, other festivals, other parties, other good days, this is the best and our favorite day for everyone because this is our birth. See, that is our birthday means it always remember our birth, that is our baby, our childhood. Yes, so we won't forget, we never forget that. Yes, so because of that word, instead of that word, we can use these words. Yes, so such a wonderful words. Yes, we are having such a sweet words. Yes, we can use that. So in future, we can use these type of words. See here, happy birthday. See, have a fabulous day. Yes, I'm wishing you, you should have your, that's, you may have your fabulous day. Fantastic day. Have a fantastic day. Have a special day. Yes, next, may your birthday filled with laughter. Yes, anyone make you to laugh. Yes, so your day, this is your day. So your special day. So your day should be filled with laughter. Laughter means here anyone make you to laugh. Yes. So here they are insisting that. So anyone should fill that day with smiling, laughing. So any laugher will make you to laugh. Right. So may your birthday filled with laughter. Next, have a great one. Yes. So such a day should have a great one. Yes. So your birthday should have a great day. Yes. Next. So this usually we will use this word. Yes. So regularly we are using this word. That is happy returns of the day. Yes. Many more happy returns of the day. Yes. So these are all the words. Yes. Instead of these words, we can use these words. That is advanced words, trendy words. Yes. So we should not use the exit, that is old words. Yes. So advanced we should use. Yes. So advancedly we can use instead of these words. Right. So this is the other ways to say. See, this is not in your syllabus, but generally you should be aware of these things because it is involved in your English language. Yes.